Hello, my dears. Very good morning to all of you again. Today we are going to start most important topic, letter writing. Okay, we'll talk about letter. You are already familiar with the letter in previous classes. Letters can be two type, formal or informal. Okay, we'll see importance of letter. So, letter is most important written form of communication. Okay, letter is a written form of communication addressed to a specific group or person. Okay, so letter is a written form of communication. Okay, addressed to particular or a specific person or organization. Okay, a letter is very easiest. Okay, it is very easiest way. It is one of the easiest, okay, way of communication. Okay, so it is one of the easiest and non-expensive way of communication. Okay, and a relationship between a writer or receiver determines the way a letter is written. So there are several way to write a letter. There are two types of letter, formal and informal. We know that formal letter means only for formality. Okay, so we write formal letter to a school's principal. Okay, and to manager, to editor. Okay, and informal, if suppose there is any conversation between father and son. If if your friend have got higher marks, so you can write informal to him. Then birthday invitation. Okay, and for condolence, okay, you can write informal letter. And if you want money from money order from your father, so you can write informal letter. Informal. And if we talk about formal letter, so you want sick leave, so formal letter. If you are giving editor for loudspeaker, formal letter. Okay, so let's start letter writing. Okay, first, how to prepare body of letter. Okay, we'll see. So first, on the top of, when we start letter, start from the new page. On the top of the page, okay, left hand side, you should write the address. Okay, address of sender. Okay, then you should mention date. Okay, and below it, then you mention salutation for the person. Okay, then you can mention object, means subject. Okay, then again, after subject, you can start main body. Okay, and then at the last, you should write your name. Okay, receiver's name, sorry, sender's name. So we'll see some of the important point related to letter. Okay, so while making letter, so if we talk about parts of letter, okay, very easy to deal, because in previous classes we have seen everything. Okay, so first, if we talk about parts of letter, so first, your address. Okay, you are sender, you are sending letter. So first, on the top left hand side, on the top, your address. Okay, you mention your address on left hand side top. Then after your address, date. Okay, below your address, date. Then one more, salutation. Okay, then after date, salutation. Okay, you can write about salutation. Okay, and after the salutation, paragraph, introductory paragraph. Okay, so salutation means to whom you are writing letter. Okay, means receiver's name, his post or designation. Okay, then introductory paragraph meant the introduction, what is going on, and reason. Now you will talk about the reason. Okay, then body, if we talk about the body, so in body you will talk about affect and effect. Okay, in the body. Then conclusion and closing. Okay, so in conclusion, you can suggest. Okay, you can convey any message. Or if we talk about the closing, so in closing you can write your name. Okay, at last. So like that, you can deal with any letter. Okay, so if we talk about formal letter, so first, what to do? Number one, letter writer's address. Okay, so on the top, writer's address. Okay, then after that, number one, writer's address on the top left hand side. Number two, date. Number three, receiver's name, rank, designation. Okay, address. Number 4, object or subject of the letter. Number 5, salutation. Okay. Number 6, main body of the letter. Okay. So you can divide main body of the letter on in 3 points. Okay. In three small pairs also you can divide. Then at last, subscription means you are sincerely, you are obediently. Okay. You are truly like that. Subscription. Then at last, name and signature. After subscription, name and signature. Okay. So we'll start two letters. So we are going to deal with two letters. Okay. Number 1, write a letter to your father requesting him to allow you to go on educational tour. You want to go on an educational tour. So for that you needed permission from your father to go on educational tour. So first, so it is a letter. It is also informal letter because you are asking to your father. So first on the top you mention address, school hostel, then name, government boys senior secondary school, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, date. Okay, respected father, I am fine here. Okay, so first you start by saying that you are fine there. Okay, and you wish everything, mm, everything will be fine at your home. Okay, and you will be very glad to know that. Okay, means you are informing to your father that father, you will be very glad to know that my about my first terminal test. Okay, and I will have good marks in it because I study a lot. Okay, so you inform first about your previous week terminal test. Okay, still waiting for result, but you hope for a good result. Okay, then what happened? Then you inform to your father your school. Okay, your school is organizing an educational tour. Yes, your school is going to organize an educational tour for South India. Okay, because it's time of autumn break. That's why. So most of the students, many students joining this tour. So you also want. Okay, you are wishing for joining them. So then, and you are a student of history section also. So it is must for you to go. Okay, so it would take 2 weeks time. Okay, tour would take 2 weeks time, and you will go. You are going by train. Okay, so you have reserved a special bogie for it. Okay, and two senior teachers also will be there with you. Okay, they are the responsible for the tour. So if we talk about the contribution, so they you must pay 2000 rupees for tour expenses. You want to go, you are a student of history. Okay, and you first you mention about the terminal test, you hope for good marks, then you talk about the tour. Okay, and where are you going? South India, so Southern India, and you are also a student of history. That's why you want to go, and you are going with a special bogie in train, and you have to pay 2000 rupees for contribution. Okay, many students are going, especially two teachers will be watching to you. Okay, so you are asking to your father with respect to mother and grandmother and up to Deepu. Okay, then you just pay your tribute for your father, and you just bless. You just ask to your father to go, and you show your love for your younger brother. At last, you are affectionately subscription. At last, you are affectionately Akash. So it was the letter. Write a letter to your father. Request him to allow you to go on educational tour. Next we will see important letter, loudspeaker. Okay, and it is time of your examination. Your exam is going to start. Okay, and you want to write letter to editor. Okay, you want to create public awareness. Okay, because it is time of study, but many people don't want to understand about your importance or your important or precious time, and they are operating loudspeaker. Okay, so you want to impose ban on free using of loudspeaker. So that's why you are writing to editor. Okay, you are going to write to editor. So write a letter to the editor of local daily complaining about the loudspeaker nuisance in the area. Okay, so you are going to write a letter to editor, a local daily complaining about loudspeaker. Okay, you wanted to ban impose on free use of loudspeaker. That's why you write letter to editor, and through the stream column of newspaper you want to create public awareness, okay, and authority to check these people and stop them using loudspeaker. So that left hand side, the top, you mention the address, okay, then date, then salutation, okay. After that, after date, you write the name of receiver, okay, to the editor, Hindustan Times, Bhopal. Then you write object or subject, means put a ban on free use of loudspeaker or ban on loudspeaker. Sir, then you start. I shall feel gratefully if you kindly publish the following few lines in the column of your esteemed daily. Means you wanted through the esteemed column of newspaper, okay, you are creating public awareness, means you are writing about a problem, okay, through, means you want publication, you want publish, okay, you want to tell to them they must publish about your concerning problem. So you shall be grateful, okay, you shall be grateful if the newspaper allow to publish, okay, few lines in the column, in their esteemed newspapers column, okay, because their newspaper everyone is watching every day, okay, that's why. So you wanted to just drag the attention of authority, okay, because there is a lots of nuisance in the city, okay, by loudspeaker. So nowadays in city, loudspeaker become great nuisance, okay. And I wonder why some people do not bother, okay, why the people don't bother about others convenience, why they didn't think this, uh, the responsible person who is playing loudspeaker in exam days, why they are not thinking about our future, okay, why they are bothering to us. They have no right, okay, they have no right to disturb us, okay, and our peace. And why the police authority and the public administration department, okay, keep quiet, why they didn't interfere in this problem, okay, why they are silent commuters. And it is a rule, no one can play loudspeaker after 10 o'clock, but these people operating loudspeaker, okay, full night. So it disturbs us, it causes we are not studying, okay, and people cannot sleep at night, the resident of the colony where loudspeaker is going to operate a whole night, how they sleep, okay. So it is a big issue, maybe they would fall sick after that, okay, and it disturbs in our study, or and due to some reason our course is still incompleted, so we are paying attention for the course also and for revision and study, okay. But a high pitch of loudspeaker, okay, uh, couldn't make us study, okay. So in a student can prepare for their examination. So please, I want to just ask to public authority to interrupt in this issue and stop using free use of loudspeaker, you know, and put a ban on free use of loudspeaker. So then at last, your subscription, okay, you are faithfully so and so. So it was about two letters you should learn, okay, both the two letters, and we'll see next.